Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Unique Fashion Every Sense. This video about mermaid gown and mermaid party dress. A mermaid dress which is tied around the bottom but with expand out around the lower legs coming down to the ankles. The name comes from its resemblance to a mermaid tail. Its extreme extensions, the dress may be so tight around the thighs that it acts rather like a hobble shirt. Normally, such a dress would be made ones are available from some suppliers. The mermaid dress is an elegant evening dress and worn of festive occasions. It is either a cross between corset dress